Online people, can you hear me? Yeah. So guys, I'll say wait for 10-15 minutes more. 11:30 we will start. Okay, be on call. Yesterday, which script you guys could not able to do? Directly come to the main part. Which script could not able to do? Is everyone done Flipkart one? Yes. Pakka? Confirm? Yes, sir. Then Amazon one? Not Amazon. eBay one? Yes, that also done? Yes, sir. Confirm? Yes, sir. Then which one low? Google. Google one having problem? Okay. See. Google one is Google. Where is Google? See, where is our project? So this is our yesterday's Flipkart inventory application. Okay. Now let me create a very simple code to do search on what? Google. So let's say Google search. By the way, from yesterday's story, are you realize how exactly locator plays a role in automation? Yes. Okay. Where nothing is working, last option you have to go with where? XPath. Any confusion? Okay. Now here I guess in an eBay you got IDs only. That is easy one. Okay. So let me copy these 4 lines. Okay. These 4 lines are same. Where we have to make changes? Hey, I close google.com, copy this. Okay, google.com. Now guys, here observe this. So now what we will do, first thing is we have to inspect what? Search field. Okay, so inspect, what we can use? Name is there, name equals to Q. Okay, so driver dot find element by dot name Q. Here what? Change the keys. Where are 4? Okay. So, by the way, how many people saw yesterday's match? Are you guys aware the match is there? India Sri Lanka. Deepak Chahar tried the match. Chahar, chahar, not chahal. Hmm. So, guys, now, by the way, how many are not cricket lover here? बाबू कूद जाओ यहाँ से हाँ लास्ट ऑप्शन so now after this where we have to go we have to inspect what Google search okay so right click inspect I guess name is here BTNK okay so again copy this driver dot find element by dot name is btnk dot click wait low problem is here only na once you land to Google page there is no problem to capture that above that is expert by contents you can use okay so here guys I will give first let's try to work like this only without word string let's see is it working
No, but sometimes it works.
sometimes work sometimes not work this time it not work okay so close this now I will give one okay so run is it working yes now I know you people got a trouble like there is two matching okay still why I am preferring every time guys in every application to application depends on current situation rules are getting changed because observe here I know there is two matching but where is the second and where is first see try to get this is a Google search button but when I am searching something can you able to see auto suggestions what are these these are nothing but what these are nothing but what auto suggestion because of auto suggestion one more Google search button is here are you getting two Google search button now first button what we found that is disable behind auto suggestion okay that is disable behind auto suggestion that's the reason when I am giving way that is a way to display this suggestion after displaying suggestion it is clicking on this Google search button get the point why it is getting failed see if you click outside again this button is enabled this is the issue okay that's the reason weight plays very important role in automation okay you want to copy Ravi okay so guys now mm, let me check whether we can take that scenario or not. Yesterday, which scenario we take, by the way? Flipkart inventory. Okay. Guys, just let me check one scenario in which manner we can show. Not here. Mm, no, 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 no. Go here. Guys, now got one scenario. Let's automate it here. Okay. So we will log into which application? Actitime application. Go to where? Task. In a task, you have to go to where? Add new. In a add new. Okay. Go to where? New customer. In a new customer, you have to assign some customer name. Let's say my customer name is Chaitra. So I will give here. Okay. Provide a description. Okay. So let's say description is practice user, something like this. Okay. Or practice customer, we will say. Okay. So after this, copy project from an existing customer. Okay. For a concern, leave it. If I click on create customer directly, are you able to see? Customer is created with a name. Okay. So this name we have to validate. Is everyone getting my point? See. Now always remember one part, guys. In an automation, how we will do validation? Let's say someone wrote a script. Write a script to log in into application. You will see login, but where is validation? Tell me, will you do validation manually? Hey, I saw it's login. I am the proof. You have to validate through script only. How you will validate? Take actual results from UI. Any kind of validation. How any kind of validation means what? Expected matching with actual. It is pass. Otherwise, it is pass. Otherwise, it is fail. Okay. So expected we will give in a script. Actual we will get from application. Put it in comparison. Is everyone clear? Confirm? Okay. So now what we want to do? We want to create a new customer in a asset time, and we have to validate that customer creates successfully or not. Okay. Is everyone clear? Pakka? 100%? Okay. So now guys, for this, how you will get test case? Okay, you will get manual test cases now. In that manual test case, they will mention open Actitime application, log into application, navigate to where? Task. In a task, go to where? Add new. In add new customer. Enter customer name. Enter customer description. Click on create. Validate customer is create or not. Is everyone clear on this? Pakka? 100%. Let's do this. So now let's create a script. Everyone pay attention. Create new customer in AsciiTank. So give one main method. Can we copy first two lines? See, if you remember, at very first day you feel this doing this only big task. Okay. Now it becomes small. Correct. Just like now you are feeling XPath locator is a big task. Okay. See, that's a common human nature. Recently, one problem in front of us, that is big task. After 1 week, when new problem came, that is old problem now. That is some normal task. Okay. So now, in fact, some people ask me this also, sir, do we need to remember this? Now you tell me, you need to any remembrance for this? Already stuck in your mind. Okay. How to maximize? How to minimize? Not possible. How to close? So now change what? Okay. So guys, first thing is now we have to do what? Log into application. Now guys, I am teaching you some standards. Just like in yesterday's page, I told you what we should use in a locator, what we should not use in a locator. Just like numbers, we will not trust. Go something else. Similarly, when you are writing a script, comments are very, very important. You think compulsory only. Rajkumar, what happened? Ultra decibel sound wave you pass to his ears. What happened? What happened there?
You studying about that.
Babu, first observe here. Okay, he is your roommate only. After class, you guys can enjoy with your discussion. Okay. So now here in every script, what is compulsory? Comments. Comments means that comments gives us help. Let's say I write a script. Right now, hardly our script goes in 10-20 lines. Let's assume 500 lines of script. I am fully aware where I am writing everything. I will show to my lead. Lead need to speak in a motion only. Hey, which line is for which purpose? This is which step, what you are doing. Okay, no one will understand that code. To improve readability of a code, we have to mention what? Comments. Just like now, anyhow, first 4 lines are common. From here, now onwards, in our every script, we will keep comments. Okay, just like here, log into application. Now everyone understand. Okay, now I am logging into application. Is everyone clear? So, yes, nothing, that only. So now, we will use inspect username. Guys, I guess ID, best choice. So, driver dot find element by dot ID username dot send keys of admin. No, few days back you people think this is only big thing. Driver dot find element by dot something. Okay. So after this, password. I can go with the name PWD. Okay. So driver dot find element by dot name as PWD dot changes of manager. Is everyone clear? Guys, today let it be one script only happen in one session. But this script you have to observe very carefully. So many things, tricks I will tell you here. Okay. So now, after this, click on what? Login button. Inspect. Now, can I go with the ID? Okay. Driver dot find element by dot ID. ID is login button dot click. Okay. So guys, login is done. Now after login, okay. Now guys, up to now we are doing trial and error approach. But now end at trial and error. Tell me, are you not aware whenever you are going from one page to another page, you need a wait?
Yes.
Correct? Then why you are intentionally waiting to make script fail? We can keep the wait early only. That is 200% sure. After login, home page will display. Babu, what you are doing? Means like for 2 seconds I thought, okay, is it matching or not? You are here only. Okay. So here now once we log in, 200% sure we will go for what? Home page. So we need some 2-3 second time. So here I will give wait for displaying words or wait for home page. That's it. Matter closed. Now guys, if such comments are there, you only feel anyone will understand script or not. Step by step, what is happening. Okay. So wait for home page. So how to wait? Wait on, click for let's say 3 seconds. Okay. So now guys, let me go to home. Hey.
Give me login.
No. Done. So after this we have to go to where? Task. Now inspect task. See. Right click on the element. Do what? Inspect. What I can use? See, A is there. A means it's a lane. A means what? It's a lane. Class is there, no problem. Expand this. You are having what? Okay, again one more class. Visible text. And you are having ID also. That means how many locators satisfy here? ID. Expand by visible text. Maybe CSS selector with a class and link text because it is linked. 4-5 locators applicable. Which locator first preference? ID because ID available. So go with what? ID. How many clear this? Pakka. How I neutralize all locators?
Yes.
Okay. This much practice you must have. Whenever you are seeing HTML code or after inspection, okay, immediately your brain should run, okay, boss, this locator fit, this locator fit, this locator fit, 4-5 available out of what I will do? It is not button. It is a link. So click on task link. Now driver dot find element by dot
Yes.
not you, second row. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Confirm not? Because from last 5 minutes your head movement is stop only. So now here we will go to where? Task. Okay. Now let's assume I click on task. Guys, task page is open. What you need? Wait. What you need? Wait. So again, guys, here we will give wait for task page. So I guess 2 seconds are enough. Okay. Now, guys, now we have to click on there.
Sir, it depends on net speed.
Correct. Net speed, application speed, your system speed, so many factors are there. Okay. So now click on what? Add new. So first we have to inspect this only. What we can use? Add new. Is ID available?
Yes.
Hey, yes, Where? That is ID. Is ID available? Name? Class?
Yes.
Let's try with class. Let's try with class, na? Okay. So we can use what? How many classes are here? 2 classes. First is title. Use it. He make a century. 103. Okay. In that div. So boss don't search everywhere. Div. Still it make a century. So I guess title is gone. But with the title, one more is there. Let's try to merge this. Correct? Is everyone clear? Now let's try to remove title. No, that means we have to merge these 2 classes together. Is everyone clear with this? Okay. So here, how many clear with this CSS? Confirm? 100%? Okay. So now come here. What we are doing? By the way, I will write comment little bit later. Okay. So driver dot find element y dot CSS selector dot click. Guys, now at least you tell me. Now if someone meet you and tell CSS is unpredictable, not understandable, is it really unpredictable? If we know tricks, we can play with that also. Okay.
I have a question. These are the files we will send to our team lead. If it is not running, then manager will serve to team lead or
Team lead. Team lead will shout to you. So now is it okay? Now tell me, after clicking on add new, are you going to any other page? That means any way? No. Inspect what? New customer. What we can use? Class, because see here we have two classes, item, create new customer. Item is duplicate, no doubt, I can see, but create new customer may be unique. Okay, we have to check, but we can go with that. Okay, so guys, now see, as you are thinking like this, if your brain starts thinking like this, trust me, you are on right track. Because many people who claim they are 3 years, 4 years automation engineer experts, okay, experience, okay, their blind approach is visible text is their expert. That is their expert. Blindly everywhere what? Expert. Expert is the last option. Clear with this? Okay. Now, shall we check with this? How many matching? One matching. So this is nothing but CSS. Okay. But how many classes I am using?
Only one.
Only one class. Then why CSS? Class name located. Before CSS, class name is there. Let's try to use. So here what I will use? Driver dot find element by dot class name line is this dot click. Is everyone clear?
CSS is the most preferable you told.
Most preferable over expert. But before CSS, some other locators are there. ID. Okay, ID. So now see guys, click on add new over on screen. Click on add new. No need wait. I am there. New customer. Wait to create new customer. Okay. So here now what we will do? Wait for create a new customer page. Okay, create new customer page. Now you only tell me what is the use of these two lines now. Can I say navigate to create new customer page? Yes or no? Are you understanding the comments? So what is the use of this? Navigate to create new customer page. Any confusion? Pakka? So here, how much weight? 2 seconds or 3 seconds, let's say. Now, after this, right click, insert. What we can use? Type, class, placeholder. That's it. Apart from that, nothing is there. So ID name not applicable. We have to check with what? Class. So let's check one class. How many class are here?
3 class.
3 class. Correct. Good. So here I will check first class.
The last class name will be this one.
Input dot no 1 of 4. I will use second one. Which 1 of 1. So if it is 1 of 1, input dot name field, okay, Let's use it in a class name. So driver dot find element by dot class name dot change keys of, let's say we have to give a customer name. Is everyone clear on this? So let's say our customer name is Sapan. Okay, Sapan, any problem? So now see, there are so many operations are happening on Sapana. Okay, guys, online people, can you hear me? Here is okay. Now observe here. So we will give a Sapan. Now let's give a description. What we can use? Can you see this? It is highlighting. Class is text area. Wait. Let me give a tag name. What is the tag name? Text area only. No, text area is there. See, text area. So here text area dot text area. No, 9. Placeholder. Or let me go up. Can you see the difference? See, text area is highlighting exact text box. Go up, it is highlighting that enter customer description, also something bigger. Can you see this? Let's try to reach here. Input container, so div. Okay, so text area. Hey, every div and this have same thing. So what is left then? Placeholder. So let's try with placeholder. So done. Everyone understood CSS? Traditional approach of CSS? Any attribute? Okay. So copy this. Now what? Driver dot find element by dot CSS dot click. Is everyone clear on this? Hey, dot click dot send click. So what will be the description? Let's say user through. Okay, let's say user through. That means only. Okay, anything we can give. Now we have to go. We have to deal with where? Click on what? Create customer. Hey, down. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Create customer. Inspect. See, can you see this? It is highlighting here. Okay. So class ideas. Otherwise visible text. Okay. Class. So let's try with class. Unique or not? Wait. We cannot go with the class. How many matching? 17 matching. Inspect again. Now, no ID, no other attribute, no name, no link text, nothing. Last option, go for what? XPath. Finally, XPath introduced. So, which XPath? Which XPath, right? Visible text. So, give this double slash div at the rate, not at the rate, x equals to this. Is everyone clear? Confirm? Copy. Now, driver dot find element by dot xpath dot click. Now, friends, observe this. So now see what we done. First, login, then wait for home page, then go to task link, wait for task page. This is for create new customer page. Wait for create new customer page, and can I say here provide customer details? Correct. These 3 lines of code are for what? Provide customer details. And after clicking on this, we will get customer. Correct. After clicking on this, we will get one customer. So now our validation will start. Validate customer name. Validate what? Customer name. Is everyone clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Confirm?
Yes.
Okay. So validate. Okay. So our previous user is Chaitra. Means once you fill, you will get this page only. Correct now. So how you will validate? Right click, inspect. What you can use? Visible text. Now apply common sense. If customer name is Sapan, here Sapan. If name is Chaitra, here Chaitra. Can you use visible text? That is dynamic. What customer name you give, that customer name reflect here. Okay. Second story. Same customer name reflecting where? Title. So we cannot use that also. Which is left out? Class. Let's cross check. Guys, I guess he's trying to break record of Rohit Sharma. 191 matching. You guys know who is Rohit Sharma?
Yes.
Ah. So, div dot title. We can't. Wait. Something will be there. Now, this one we cannot do. Let's go here. Edit button. Let's go up. At least, can we reach here? Title edit button container. Let's try to reach here. So, div. See, tag name is div dot. What is this? 1 of 1. But now tell me, is my target point is this? Is my target point is this? From here, we have to reach where? Here. Now, how to do forward traversing in CSS? Forward traversing in CSS. Arrow mark. So, guys, I told you now you will need this in the future. Okay, forward traversing, backward traversing. Many places are there that we cannot reach to direct locator, direct element. Where we will reach? Who is near to them? Near or his parent or someone. Once we reach there, from there, navigate there. Is everyone clear? Yes. Confirm? Okay. So now What do we need to do? Forward arrow mark. We have to go to where? Div. How many divs are there? Don't forget again. See, once we are here, title, edit, container. For this, how many child? Two child. Both the childs are what? Div only. Both the childs are what? Div only. Which one you want? Which div you want? First one, second one. Ravi, second one. First one, second one. First one. Instead of doing trust on numbers, can we say I want that div who is having class as title? Can we say like that? So div dot title. How many matching? One of one. Is it exactly identifying Chaitra over here?
Yes, sir.
And without any hard coding. Let it be any name of customer. My fellow will work. Everyone clear? Huh? Pakka? Confirm? Hangover? No, na?
पूरा मछली पकड़ने गए।
लोकेटर को ढूंढना मछली पकड़ने में जाए।
Exactly. अभी देखिए मछली कहाँ तुमको कह रहा था? So, what we need to build here? Driver find element by dot CSS. This is my CSS, and here what? Which action? Send click fetch the data from that element. So what method? Get text. It will give you what? String. Let's say actual customer name. Is everyone clear on this? Okay. Or else, can I just short form actual CN? CN means customer name. This is actual CN. Now, up to now, we stop our script here only. Correct, na? We got printed in a console, driver dot close. Now onward, this is not the way. We have to end the test script after validation. So now we have to validate. So now we will give what? String dot expected customer name. Is everyone getting my point? Actual customer name we are getting from application. Expected customer name we will give. Clear with this? Pakka? What will be my expected customer name? Sapan. So here I will give Sapan. Is everyone clear on? Pakka? 100%? Now we have to do what? Validation. Whether actual customer name is exactly equal to expected customer name or not. So if actual CN dot equals expected CN. Now, how many remember object class equals method here?
Yes, sir.
How many remember object class? Object class भूल गए? हाँ, वही सोचो. अगर सपने में भी पूछे what is object class? Godfather you have to remember. Now here I told you normal equals method, address level comparison. String class equals method, content level comparison. Because here it will check this content is exactly equal to my expected contents or not. Is everyone clear on this?
Yes, sir.
If this is exactly equals, customer create successfully else customer creation failed. Is everyone clear with this? Yes, sir. Finally, this is the end of your script. And last step is close browser. So how driver dot any confusion? Pakka? Okay. See, only 4-5 steps. Login, task, customer, enter detail, create customer, validate. 56 lines of code it consumes. Now you get it. How your script goes to 500 lines. So, at the end of the day, what we done? Just one customer. Nothing else. So, shall we check this melodrama working or not? So much drama we done here. Okay. So, Jai Mata Di.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Trust it. Now, login. Now going to where? Task, create new customer, Sapan, and creation fail. Not Chaitra's issue. After clicking on create new customer, you need a way to create it. That thing we forget. Okay, that thing we forget. So, now what we need to do, in a hurry mode, we forget to wait here. So now what we need to do? Wait for what? Creating new customer. Wait for creating new customer. So let's say now shall we try? Pakka? 100%? Hey, yes, no. Confirm. Observe. One more twist is there. Observe. Add new customer already exists because when I run the script first time, Sapan already created. Now it is saying duplicate customer. I told now so many operations we will do on Sapan. Okay. So now what we need to do? Change the data. So let's say that means, can we say Chaitra we cannot use, Sapan we cannot use because these two already exist. Okay. So let's try with
Sir, Chaitra name was there, na?
first time I didn't run the script. Application to same ही है. End of the day data going in same server. Okay. So now we have to give what? Let's say Shubham. Now here also. Is everyone clear? Now it has to pass. Go Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
100%? Write down.
Sir, if we run it once again,
It will fail.
previously it was not completed, right? So it is failed.
It is completed.
Sir, can we change the start please? Inductive program, can we change?
Which class in this?
Yes.
No, one time only.
Can we edit?
You can.
Also.
This one, na?
Means we can't search the same name again.
Hmm?
If you want
Same
someone
name.
only means for one.
If we need Sapan only,
That is different story. We will see. So, automation easy, na? Online people, done with the copy? Okay. Now guys, pay attention very minutely. Okay. Because now, whatever the scripts you wrote, total script will get changed. So you will came to know this way we should not do. Okay. Should not do. Now, observe here. One thing is, tell me, as an automation person, you should make a script like this, which will run only once, or first you run 100 times. I am confident my script will pass. Which one? First or second?
Second.
Second one. What is happening here?
Only
Only once. Again and again, I have to change the word data. Okay. That means, can I say right now my test case is data dependent?
Yes.
Entire thing is same. Locator will not change, script is same, everything same. What is changing? Data. What is changing? Data. So guys, now how to get random data? How to get unique data? We have to make some arrangement for this.
Yes.
Is everyone getting my point?
Yes.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
100%? Now see. How to get random thing is, guys, now if I make Shubham, expected customer name also Shubham, then can we give, pay attention carefully, customer name equal to Shubham. Clear? Same variable. Can you use here? String only, na? And no need to mention separate expected name. Same thing give here. If actual customer name equals to customer name what I give, because same data is coming, it is successfully created, otherwise failed. This is one small adjustment. How many clear with this adjustment? Okay. Now the change is how to get unique. Because if I run like this also, my script will fail. Because Shubham already exists. Observe. See. In a real time, 200% sure you will face this situation. In every application, there is one feature called as registration. Create user, duplicate, it's not allowed. What do you do?
Sir, for second project, can I take a SRL domain?
Now what it is saying? Customer created successfully. Let me run one more time. Getting failed? What is the reason? Because customer is already exists. Okay. One time it will pass. Second time it will fail. Now to make it unique. What I am saying, pay attention very carefully. Okay. Guys, you guys aware about OTP?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? OTP always unique or same? Unique means numbers. OTP nothing but what? Numbers. One time number. Okay. So let's assume I will get one OTP. I will get one unique number. That unique number I will concat with what? Shubham. Means one time my customer is maybe Shubham 3456. Next, Shubham 4567. Next, Shubham 5678. Like this, at least you will get n number of random numbers and always unique data will proceed. Hardly 0.5% chances is there that unique number is become duplicate. That also after minimum 1 lakh transactions. So obviously it is negligible. Is everyone clear? Is everyone get the solution? What is the solution? We have to get unique number. Once we get unique number, then concat, use it. But now what is the problem? How to get unique number? Is everyone clear? So ultimately, I am going to show you how to create OTP. Observe now. You will, maybe chances are there, you guys are thinking whenever we are saying, what logic they put? Every time we are getting new 6-digit number, new 4-digit number, what logic they keep? Okay. See. So let's say I'll create a new class, random OTP. Declare what? Main method. Now observe here clearly. Okay. In Java, there is one class called as math. In a math, you have one method called as random. In a math class, what is the method? Random. Now, this random method always return you double. What is the return type of random? Double. So let's say I will give num. Am I clear? Now guys, let me print the num. Are you getting? Now, I will run one more time. Different number. Am I clear? Okay. But now, problem is, sir, it is in fraction, sir. We want in integers. We want properly, like OTP. Now you tell me one thing. Okay. Now you tell me one thing. Here, apply power of mathematics. See, if this number, this is in fraction. Fraction always goes when you divide. If you multiply, come to the original number, multiply by 1000. Multiply by 1000. How many numbers come here? 3. But OTP I guess 6 digits, huh? Okay. So, how many numbers came here? 6. Problem solved? Now, what is the concern? How to remove this point? I don't want point. Explicit casting. Double explicit cast to int. If you do explicit casting, then decimal data loss will take place, and this is the correct requirement. You can bear that data loss. That data is not useful for you. So now what you need to do? Was explicit cast to int, because it is giving me double. Explicit cast to int. Wait. I guess there is some problem. Problem is it is not explicit casting that. Here I will get new number, double, let's say OTP, and now explicit cast OTP. Now it is clear. When I am saying in, it is applicable on noun only. That's the reason. Working? Now, please remove this. Are you getting 6-digit OTP?
Yes.
Six. Huh? What?
Or the number will come.
Otherwise, what you want? Number only, na? OTP is already.
It is every time sending that number.
Huh?
It's not an
So, but the
random
name
number.
alphabets.
What you are saying?
That's random number, not in sequence.
So obviously, will you get OTP in sequence?
No, in sequence.
OTP. Will you get any OTP in sequence?
Not like that.
Huh? Correct. No, our requirement satisfied, huh?
Or it is not.
Sir, how can we utilize this number in name field? Like alphabet is required, right?
Huh?
Alphabet is required.
We will see. First, are you clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Pakka. This is nothing but a logic to generate a what? Random OTP. And chances of duplicating one OTP is very less. If you run 1 lakh, 5 lakh times, then one number becomes duplicate. I don't think there is any problem. Pakka? So now guys, the same logic, instead of this, I will give in a bracket. Here only I will give what? In print only OTP. Is everyone clear? Working? Hey. Okay. Working? Confirm? Now guys, we got OTP. Come here. Bring here in our script. Understand importance of Java? So, now here we already have customer name. Then what? Can you not do, let's say, customer name equals to old customer name plus OTP. Now ultimately your OTP concat with this name. Atul, clear?
But sir, still the name field should exist alphabets only, right? Here the number is coming.
What?
In the name field, the alphabets should be there. But here we are adding numbers. But if we want random alphabets only, so
See, name field accept alphabets. Name field accepts strings. String accepts everything. That is the concept. Getting my point? Just like many times we are having user 1, user 2. How it is accepting? It is not accepting that one as an integer. Everything considered as what? String only. Okay. Now is it clear, everyone? And now guys, you run a
False.
how?
So upside we have concatenated, but downside.
I concat in the same variable reflect everywhere. See 71862. See 71862. Working? Run again. 391837. What happened, Rupa? What happened, Jayashree?
Normally in real time, whenever we give the username, the name we won't give numbers, sir, we'll give only.
But we have to give number because it is not accepting duplicate.
So
Correct?
now the data is stored in the
To
server.
execute multiple times, we are using random.
Not to execute multiple times. Let's say you done test case in your system. Rupa, you done test case in your system. You will not submit a test case to it. Rupa, yes, no. Huh?
10%.
You will write in a company, you will get your separate system. In that system, you will automate your script. Okay. You will write, let's say you didn't do this OTT and all that. You will write, okay. You will not submit your script to the submit. How you will submit? Will you submit your system only? They take the system and run. You will share code. Your lead will share code to the client. So they will also run. Lead will also run. When they will run, will you tell them, hey, stop, 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 update name? That is the reason this random. So you any machine run anywhere multiple times, n number of times, script is fast. Any confusion? Pakka? Confirm? Okay.
Exactly, in the supermarket and in the company I'm getting.
The company take any sample name, something.
Sample and random name I'm using. And in other case, somebody else, he is also doing the sample and random in the same database.
Right now, don't go to database. That is different story. Let's stick up on web application. Clear with this? Any confusion? Pakka? Okay. Now, guys, here, what you done? What you done? Comparison, validation you are doing by using what? If else. Correct now? You can't do. Any problem? Remove 6 lines. If actual name equals to customer name, print what? Customer created successfully. Else, print what? Customer creation failed. Done. How many clear on this? Pakka? Okay. Now, guys, online people, is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Understood this? Match.dot, random, OTP, what is the concept? Okay. Now, guys, there is another way. One more way is there. Who can do this random number activity? Okay. So, that way is, this is one way. I'll comment this. Okay. Another way is, in a java.util package, you have a random class. In a which package? Java.util package. Create an object of random class. Any confusion? Create an object of a random class and call the method r dot main int. It is giving you one integer number. Print it. Are you getting random number? Any confusion? Pakka? Okay. Now here, what we can do? Okay, this is again another way to get unique random numbers. Now guys, here, let's say I want boss, don't give me any random number, give me random number within 1000. Are you getting my point? Within 1000, give me any number randomly. Or within 10,000, give me any number randomly. Within 1 lakh, give me any number randomly. Okay. So if you want something like this, give here condition 1 lakh. This is what? 10,000, 1 lakh. Now within 1 lakh, it can give you any number. Maybe 3 digit, 2 digit, 4 digit doesn't matter. But within 1 lakh, it will be any number. How many clear with this? Confirm? Okay. So, guys, if you don't like this math.random, this much operations, everything, this is ready-made approach. Okay. So, again, what you need to do? Go here. I will just comment this. And now, we will use what? Random num instead of OTP. Concat what? Now, I show you both the logic. Whatever you feel comfortable, go for it. Any confusion?
Sir, but in second one, if it is compulsory to print 6 digit only.
Compulsory, then first logic.
First one.
If no compulsory was any random number, let it be 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, doesn't matter. Go with this. Clear? See? Cross check working or not? Working? Pakka? Okay. So customer created successfully. Finally, this is your script. Any confusion? Pakka?
What is the difference between those?
Huh?
Difference between math and random.
Okay. What kind of difference you observe? You only tell. Huh?
In math, we are getting 6 digits. In random, we are getting
Any digit. That is only difference. In a math.random, you have to do operations, multiply, explicit casting. In a random class, you know what to do. Whatever you feel comfortable, go for it. Now, any confusion? Pakka? 100%? Okay. Now, guys, observe one more thing. So, this is the drama we people done just for overcome the situation of duplicate data. Is everyone getting my point? We done this all drama so that we want to overcome this duplicate data problem. Okay. Now, guys, now in a real time, how coding happens? Okay, your coding will not see like this. Should not see like this. Okay, what is the change? Standard, I am saying. Okay, everything you have to keep in a separate methods. See guys, approach 4 is changing. Only thing is, instead of, let's say we said now someone someone eat in a many manner or many ways, but there is some standard way. We have to follow standard. Are you getting my point? Here, everything in a one method, in a main method, hard coding like we are doing. Okay. Instead of this, now see guys, what is the use of this piece of code?
Max.
You only tell me, what is the use of this piece of code? Launch browser, maximizing. Okay. So, observe here. Observe here. Public. You can keep static method. You can keep non-static method. Doesn't matter at all. Is everyone clear? Okay. So, public void clear. See how your code will getting changed. Any confusion? Now see, if I do like this, one more concern is, can I say driver become local?
Yes.
Local variable, access only within this. Now I want to access in entire class. So what? Instead of like this, can we do declaration there and initialization here?
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Understood neatly? Everyone? Okay. Now, what is the use of this? Login to application. So, here Keshav. Public void login to app. Keep it. Any problem? Now, what is next? By the way, is everyone getting what I am doing?
Yes.
Same script, I am just segregating in a proper manner. That's it, nothing else. Okay. Now, what is the use of this? Navigate to tasks, then create new customer, create new task, and everything. And after that, I am getting actual name also. Everything can I make in one method? That is public void create new customer. That's it, problem solved. Okay. So from where I should take? From here to here. Is everyone clear? So I will keep it here. Okay. And now see, here customer name is not accessible. So guys, can I make customer name here local? Whenever I will call the method, I will give what? Customer name. Same customer name. Hey. Spelling mistake. Okay, customer it is happening. CUSTO. Okay, done. Now thread.slip you have to throw. Now here, this actual name you don't want here. You want it where? Your script. So can I do return type string? Create new customer and return me that. Return me what? Actual customer name. How many clear on this? Confirm? Okay. And guys, Now what thing left out? That is only validation. So now see how your script behaves. Okay. This piece of code is same. What you are having here. Get a random customer number. After this, now I will create object. So create new customer in empty time. Let's say cn equals to new one. Create new because methods are this. Then cn dot launch browser. Correct. After this, cn dot login to app. After this, remove cn dot create new customer with a customer name. Okay. This method returns you what? String act cn, and finally this is your validation. Okay. Now driver dot close is not happening because driver is non-static. Method is static. Non-static don't allow static. Normal Java sense. Okay. So these many methods we are creating. Launch browser. Then can we not create close browser? Is everyone clear? And here what code we should be? Driver dot close. Guys, are you getting importance of methods? So here what? Hey. Close browser. Is everyone clear? Guys, now try to read your main script. In fact, this code also we can keep it in one method. Not a big deal. This code also we can happily keep it in one method. Now see, was create new customer, launch browser, login to app, then create new customer, get the customer name, validate. Anyone will read, anyone will understand. Your entire code is segregated in a reusable methods. Is everyone clear with this? Yes. Like this, your real-time coding flow happens. Now only you should start practice on this level. Instead of writing everything in there, main method. Okay, do all khichdi in one method only. Keep it separate. Is everyone clear? Pakka? Write down this. By the way, shall we check working on now?
Yes.
So many changes happen. So, browser launch. Working?
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Pakka? Okay. So now your task is I add new customer, you add new project. Okay? But I want assignment in standard format with the methods, everything with the segregation, not in one method. Got the point? Pakka? So do this assignment. Hey, 1:30. What time will start?
11.
Good, I saw the time. Take a pick. She will take it. She will send to you.
Okay.
Done? 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 Okay. So, guys, listen one thing. Do this assignment in the manner what I shown just now. Clear with this? One more thing. Now onwards, our each and every script will return in this format only. Am I clear? Launch will be in separate, login will be in separate, or if let's say Flipkart or any other where login or just keep it. Everything you have to segregate in proper mass. Clear with this? Obviously, launch will be separate method, close will be separate method. Clear? Trust me, if you make this practice right now only, future you will be in huge benefit. Okay. What is that? You will came to know later. Okay. Done with this?
Yes, sir.
1:30. OMCA 6 people. We will have Java class at 2:15. Hour 5:30.